Hey everyone, I'm here with my good friend Evan Gregor, and we are here to talk about our new program called The Advancing Man. So, Evan, tell the guys what The Advancing Man is.
Well, it's a place to do tapping, emotional processing, how to work with your emotions in a really direct and powerful way on the kind of subjects that you're not going to see on a tapping round on Brad's channel. So, the kind of things that you know you're dealing with, but you don't necessarily feel like there is an environment where you can talk about them, bring them up, and process through them. We're going to give you an environment that I think is great for that. It's going to be a place where you can be anonymous. So you'll just see Brad and I on the screen like this. You can participate in the chat if you want, but we'll be leading you through how to work through the emotional challenges that you're facing, right? Frustration, anger, resentment around the kind of topics that, again, are specific to men in many ways, and you're not going to see brought up in these other formats.
Yeah, because as guys, we have a lot of programming about what we're allowed to do, what we're allowed to acknowledge, and what we're allowed to deal with. And so we wanted to create a safe space to be able to start to look into this and say, all right, I want more from my life. I want to experience a better life. And it's such a gift to the people in your life as well, because as you give yourself permission to address that stuff, you become a much better version of yourself. So it's a win-win situation. It's a gift to you, it's a gift to the people in your life. It's a gift to the whole planet. So please and thank you.
Yeah, and a very powerful thing to have in your toolbox, in addition to all the things you're learning about what to say and how to do, and success and discipline and all these things. When you learn how to actually process the fear, the shame, the guilt underneath it, you won't be piling techniques on top of that. You'll be able to operate and do things from a much more centered and grounded and inspired place. So you're actually going to get more done from a place of less pressure. And I know that firsthand. And I know that from working with Brad directly, that such a thing is possible. And this work actually works.
Yeah. It's about creating a level of success that you may not have even thought was possible because not only can you achieve your goals in a more fulfilling way, in a more successful way, but you get to also feel a whole lot better inside. So it's a much more profound level of success. So we hope that you will join us. Check it out at tapwithbrad.com/advancing man. And we look forward to tapping with you there.
Looking
Thanks.
forward to it.